Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I will show you how to fix Valorant error codes like Val3, Val4 and Val5, and here I show the 3 methods to fix this problem. And the first method is just open your task manager and click on details and then locate React Client Services and simply right click on it and select End Process Tree. So next you can open your Windows Run and execute this command %local app data %. So here you can locate Valorant folder and click to open it and click to open the saved folder. So here I try to access config and click on crash report client. So here you can delete all the folders and go back to the one step. So next I try to open logs folder. So here also you can delete all the files and go back to the 3 steps. So now this time you can locate Riot Games folder and click to open it. So here I try to select Valorant and click on config folder. So finally you can delete this file Riot Client settings and close all the windows. And this is method 1. So next method, you can open your command prompt. But I try to run this command prompt as administrator mode. So now you can execute following commands by one. So once you execute all the commands and close this command prompt. And this is method 2. So if both of the methods are not working, just try this third one. So by simply right click on your network icon and go to open network and internet settings. So here I try to access change adapter options. And here I using the internet connection via Ethernet cable. So just right click on your network adapter and go to properties and click on internet protocol version 4. So now I try to enter the DNS address to manually. And also tick to enable this option, validate settings upon exit. And don't forget to save these changes. So finally one time restart your Windows PC. So after the restarting is completed and then try to open your Valorant. So I hope this method will work for 100%. So friends, if you have any doubts just comment to me. So otherwise just leave a one like. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOns, and thanks for watching.